Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some spring 2023 short haircut ideas. So if you have been dreaming up a new look for the spring season, today's video is for you. Loving this great pixie cut, beautiful undercut style through the sides and through the nape area. And then we have a classic bob haircut with a shaven nape. This is actually a really popular trend right now. We're seeing a lot of bobs with the completely shaven nape area. Beautiful modernized way to rock a bob haircut. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a pixie haircut transformation. This pixie features beautiful bangs in the front, lots of volume and height. And this is a great option if you do have hair that is on the thinner side and you are looking to add in some more volume. And then we have a bob haircut transformation. Absolutely gorgeous bob. Her hair looks so effortless and chic. Stunning transformation. And then we do have another lob. She ends up keeping her classic coloring. And the stylist provides yet another effortless chic lob haircut. So we have an undercut hairstyle transformation for the next look. Absolutely gorgeous. Her hair has so much body and movement. And the undercut looks so modern and chic. And then we have a beautiful long to short transformation. Looks like she ended up going with a gorgeous lob haircut. And then we move on to yet another long to short hair transformation. And this one also features the undercut trend. Absolutely stunning. She ended up getting more of like the undercut pixie style. Absolutely gorgeous. If you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.